it's Jen Eden here, founder of the Sugar Freedom Method, holistic health coach, 20 years, mom to 3. Love that I live here in Flagstaff, Arizona after 45 years of living in New York. And if you've been following me a while, you know I absolutely love what I do. I am so passionate talking about sugar and life and just how to maximize our time that we have here on the planet, looking and feeling our best self. So before I talk about today's important topic, which is, how to slow down the aging process. I always just say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did so. There's a button below this video, and then we can stay in touch every Wednesday. Okay, so here's this thing, so controversial, right? How to slow down the aging process. I know that there's 100 million supplements and creams and Botox this, yeah? And I don't know, they just sell everything on the market to women my age. I'm almost 50, right? This fountain of youth. Look, you're probably not going to love my answer, but if you've been following me, you know I am a straight shooter and I speak the truth, okay? From 20 years as a health coach and having been around almost 50 years on the planet. So for me, the two biggest things are sugar. The sugar causes inflammation, okay, which deteriorates the body fast. So number one is sugar. And number two is alcohol. I'm going to say it. And does it mean don't drink your favorite wine or have a beer on the weekend or your favorite, I don't know, vodka? I don't drink that stuff. I'm a tequila girl, and I drink on occasion when I really want something. But, you know, alcohol causes the liver to not be able to do its job of detoxing and repairing at night. And sugar causes high levels of inflammation in the body, and it's the cause of all disease. So when you've got those two things going in your body on a regular basis, there's no way your body can repair, detoxify, yes, and heal itself. And so for me, aging isn't a mystery. It's our body's deteriorating. And so rather than talking about pills or potions or collagen this or vitamin D or vitamin E or this is the best, facial products, I always think about having beautiful skin and feeling vibrant from the inside out. And so that's why I'm talking about sugar and alcohol today. So I hope that helps. I hope it makes you go, I'm gonna stop spending that $400 or $500. Oh my God, I did some micro needling a while back. I don't not think it's great. I loved it. But I also know if I don't follow up with eating well, eating organic, hydrating, taking care of my liver with watching how much alcohol goes in, and just taking care of the cells of my body with how much sugar and processed foods I put in. If I don't do those things, there ain't no lotion on the planet, sister, or facial product, no matter how much we spend, is gonna make us look any younger. So there you have it. I hope that was enlightening today. And as always, you have a question, hit me up. And you can subscribe to my channel. Somewhere below my video, there's a button. And have a great day.